humanity will die unless we learn to hack reality. What would it take to never fear extinction again? From fragile apes, to architects of galaxies, to gods. We tame weather, break limits, command stars, Dyson swarms, planetary shields, interstellar cities. This is the journey to a Type 7 civilization. This is the path, beginning right now. It starts now. Where we are today, Type 0. Here's the uncomfortable truth. We're advanced, and still almost powerless. For all our gadgets, we don't run this planet, yet. We burn fossil fuels. We harness only a tiny fraction of Earth's energy. The grid strains, and fails under stress. Volcanoes, asteroids, climate cascades. One bad day, and civilization could collapse. But we're not truly zero. On the Kardashev Scale, Type 0.72, brilliant apes with fragile infrastructure. Climbing, but exposed. Close, but not there yet. When we finally cross the line. So, how do we take control of a planet? Like and subscribe for more what-if secrets. Type 1, Civilization, Planetary Control. Welcome to a Type 1 civilization. At this stage, humanity controls all the energy available on Earth. Solar power blankets the planet. Fusion reactors provide limitless clean energy. Weather is no longer something we fear. It's something we manage. Hurricanes can be weakened or redirected. Earthquakes are predicted and neutralized. Asteroids are detected early and destroyed with ease. Technology accelerates rapidly. Artificial intelligence manages infrastructure. Quantum computing unlocks medical breakthroughs. Cancer is eliminated. Human lifespans dramatically increase. Interplanetary travel becomes routine. Vacations to the moon or Mars are no longer science fiction. For the first time in history, humanity is no longer at the mercy of nature. But Earth is only one planet, and the universe is much bigger. Type 2, Civilization, Star Power. Thousands of years later, humanity reaches the next level. A Type 2 civilization harnesses the total energy output of its star. Using massive structures like Dyson swarms, humanity captures the sun's power completely. This energy fuels planet-wide terraforming colonies across the entire solar system, advanced genetic adaptation to different worlds. Mars, Venus, Europa, Titan, once hostile environments, are transformed into habitable worlds. Human bodies evolve too. We modify ourselves to survive extreme gravity, radiation, and atmosphere. But even now, danger remains. A nearby supernova could still wipe out entire planetary systems, so humanity makes a crucial decision. To survive forever, we must leave our star behind. Type 3, Civilization, Galactic Dominion. Welcome to humanity as a Type 3 civilization. Hundreds of thousands of years have passed. Using near-light-speed travel, humanity spreads across the Milky Way. Self-replicating probes explore star systems. Dyson swarms surround billions of stars. Humanity now controls the energy of an entire galaxy. At this point, humans are no longer purely biological. We merge with artificial intelligence. Our bodies regenerate. Aging becomes optional. Civilization exists across countless star systems. No single disaster can wipe us out. Humanity has effectively achieved immortality, but even a galaxy has limits. Type 4, Civilization, the Universe. At Type 4, humanity goes beyond the original Kardashev Scale. We now harness the energy of entire galaxies across the universe. Every star, every planet, every cosmic structure is mapped and understood. Humanity encounters other civilizations, some primitive, some advanced, some on the brink of extinction. Decisions must be made. Observe, intervene, or remain silent. Yet one terrifying truth remains. The universe itself will eventually die, and if humanity stays here, we die with it. So, we move on. Type 5, Civilization, the Multiverse. A Type 5, civilization escapes the death of its universe. Humanity learns to travel between universes. Energy is harvested across multiple realities. The concept of a single universe becomes obsolete. Humanity no longer asks, what is possible? Only, what do we choose to create next? But creation leads to an even greater realization. Type 6, Civilization, the Omniverse. Humanity now understands all universes and all timelines, past, present, and future are visible simultaneously. Physical bodies become optional, consciousness can exist as matter, energy, pure information. All needs are automated, scarcity no longer exists. The only remaining question is philosophical: what gives existence meaning when everything is possible? Some choose pleasure, some choose creation. Some choose to shape reality itself, and that leads to the final step. Type 7. Civilization. Godhood. This is the peak, a Type 7. Civilization controls the Omniverse. Universes are created, altered, or destroyed at will. Timelines branch endlessly. Reality is no longer fixed. Humanity transcends emotion, form, and limitation. Some exist as beings of pure energy. Others become architects of existence itself. At this stage, humanity is no longer a species, it is a fundamental force of reality. Outro. So this is the path, from fragile beginnings to absolute control over existence. But here's the real question: if we could go this far forward, what would we discover if we went all the way back, to the very beginning of the universe? Well, that's a story for another What If Secrets. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to discover more incredible What If Secrets.